How to see downloaded files in Telegram Full Guide 2026. Ever downloaded a file on Telegram and had no idea where it went? You are not alone, and in the next 2 minutes, I am going to show you exactly how to find your downloaded files on Android, iPhone, and desktop so you never lose a file again. Let us get into it. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are doing a full guide on how to find and access your downloaded files in Telegram in 2026. This works across all your devices. Let us go step by step. Step 1. Finding downloaded files on Android. Open your phone's built-in File Manager app and search for a folder called Telegram. Inside that folder you will find subfolders organized by file type. One for images, one for videos, one for documents, and one for audio. All your Telegram downloads are sorted right there, making them easy to find. Step 2. Finding downloaded files on iPhone. On iOS, Telegram keeps files locked inside the app unless you save them manually. To save a file to your phone, open the chat in Telegram, long press the file, tap the share icon, then choose Save to Files. Select your destination folder and tap Save. You can then find the file in Files, then on My iPhone or iCloud Drive, then Downloads. If you do not save manually, the files remain inside the Telegram app only and cannot be found locally. Postfa for photos and videos specifically, tap Save Image or Save Video and they will go straight to your Photos app. Step 3. Using Telegram's built-in Download Manager on mobile. Open Telegram and tap the 3 lines in the top left corner to open the menu. Go to Settings, then tap Data and Storage. Here you can see your storage usage and manage all your downloaded files without leaving the app. Sprout Social. This is the fastest way to see everything Telegram has saved on your phone in one place. Step 4. Finding downloaded files on desktop. On Telegram desktop, tap the hamburger menu in the top left, go to Settings, then Advanced, then Downloads. Here you will see a full list of your previous downloads with the option to search through them. Instagram by default on Windows. Files are saved to C Drive, then Users, then your username, then Downloads, then Telegram desktop. Postfa on Mac. The files go to your standard downloads folder inside a Telegram desktop subfolder. Step 5. Changing your download folder on desktop. If you want all your Telegram files saved somewhere easier to find, go to Settings, then Advanced, then Download Path and choose a custom folder that works best for you. Postpone. This keeps everything organized, especially if you download a lot of files regularly. Pro tip, you can view all files shared inside any specific chat directly within Telegram without going to your phone storage at all. Open the chat, tap the contact or group name at the top, then select Shared Media. You will find tabs for photos, videos, files, links, and music all organized in one place. Buffer. This is the fastest way to find a specific file from a specific conversation, and that is it. You now know exactly how to find your Telegram downloads on Android, iPhone, and desktop, plus how to use the built-in Download Manager and Shared Media feature to stay organized. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more Telegram tips. Drop a comment below and let me know which device you use Telegram on most. I read every single one. See you in the next video.